Hey, to insert SIM card into your Realme 12 5G, first of all you have to get this SIM card in this nano size. So this is actually the smallest size of the SIM card. And then you have to grab this SIM tool. You can find it in the box right here. And the SIM slot is actually located at the top. So we have to input this tool just right here. And when you do this, you have to press on it. We have to press on it. And now when you do this, you can remove this SIM tool and you can grab your SIM tray, for example, with your 2 fingernails. You can try to gently take it off. I just cut out my nails, so it's actually hard to take it off, but finally I can did it. And in this device, we can actually find the 2 inputs for the SIM cards. So there's the SIM card first, slot for the first SIM card, and there's the slot for the second SIM card. Also, there's the hybrid slot because you can input here the memory card. So to input this SIM card, you have to just put it in this position. There we go. Now, when you install it properly, it will be actually completely flat. So the SIM card is actually not going above the surface of the SIM tray. And now we have to input it just like this. Try to do this slowly and gently and push this inside. There we go. And now it's inside. So when you do this, you will be able to input the SIM code, the PIN code of your SIM card. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.